A barcode is a sequence of graphic characters, combines light and dark elements, bars and lines. Thanks to scanning the code, it's possible to read all information about the product. Let's go back a few decades to comprehend the essence of barcodes better. Canada and the United States were the real pioneers when it comes to these graphics characters. They were created in 1973 under the name UPC, Universal Product Code, and were implemented by UCC, Uniform Code Council. The development of barcodes was promoted by various supermarkets and customer service departments. The EAN code, European Article Number, was developed on the basis of the UPC code. It was introduced by the EAN International Organization in 1977. It aimed at creating a system that could be implemented outside North America. Today, EAN codes are used for making items for wholesale and retail. When analyzing cooperation for an online store and a dropshipping wholesaler, it's possible to encounter the code in two versions. EAN 13 code has 13 digits, country code first 3 digits, manufacturer or distributor number next 7 digits, product number next 5 digits, and check digit, the last digit. As a fun fact, this code is scanned 6 billion times a day all over the globe. EAN 8 code contains 8 digits, country code, product number, and check digit. In most cases, it's found on a lighter packages. The responsibilities of UCC and EAN International were taken over by GS1 in 2005. This organization is supposed to ensure that codes are unique and correct. Its branches can be found in 111 countries. Barcodes make it possible to manage goods in an efficient way. Having to enter a series of digits into a computer or cash register would waste a lot of valuable time of employees. Moreover, it could result in a mistake. A barcode reader increases productivity and helps to avoid potential errors. Easy identification of each product. Communication between various parties of the supply chain becomes much more efficient. We know which products have been delivered and we're able to determine any shipping discrepancies. The possibility to quickly locate pallets and packages in warehouses. Faster loading and unloading of delivery trucks. More efficient management of retail spaces. Any brand owner has the right to barcode his products. In the case of manufacturers, the digits are assigned from their own range. If the brand owner outsources the manufacturing to an external company, this company can choose numbers from its own range or authorize the manufacturer to use his digits.